Hey, welcome back once again to the studio here at Shasta Sound Studios in Montague, California. It is a part of New Traditions Dulcimers in Wairika, California. Today I want to show you, today I want to show you one of our special instruments. This is a solid cherry, book matched back and sides, and a book matched top. But this one has some carving on it. We call it our Songbird dulcimer. It's got a nice little bird carving there with some limbs and leaves, and a bird carved up here as well. It also has a K&K pickup in it. So it's a really nice instrument. It's got a full sound, great for recording once again, and just pretty. With the carving, I really enjoy building these Songbird dulcimers. This one again is $425 with the case, and that's, if you're buying online, that's $425 delivered to your house. We don't charge for shipping here. And it sounds like this. There you go. It's beautiful pieces of wood. Got a really nice, I really enjoy the K&K pickups. I use them on my dulcimers. I use the K&K Aloha Twin on my ukuleles as well. So they're made kind of locally. They're made up in Coos Bay, Oregon. A great pickup. You can get all sorts of fun sounds out of a dulcimer using a pickup and a loop or something like that. This is our Songbird, New Tradition Songbird Appalachian dulcimer, hourglass style, with some nice carvings down here and a nice carving up here. K&K pickup, $425 with case, and that includes shipping. All right, thanks.